What's the meaning of acquisitiveness? Acquisitiveness. 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 Acquisitiveness refers to the strong desire or tendency to acquire or accumulate material possessions or wealth. Individuals who exhibit high levels of acquisitiveness often prioritize the accumulation of money and material goods over other pursuits, such as relationships or personal growth. However, excessive acquisitiveness can lead to negative consequences, such as financial stress, difficulty forming meaningful connections with others, and a decreased sense of well-being. Additionally, it can contribute to larger societal issues, such as income inequality and environmental degradation. Ultimately, while the desire to acquire and accumulate wealth is not inherently negative, it is important to maintain a healthy balance and consider the impact of our actions on both ourselves and the world around us.